Hello, my friends. Sadhan Samanta here once again. I welcome you all to my 7-part video series regarding universal truth of home-based business. Friends, this is going to be the sixth video, and in fact, there is only one more video left. That will be coming tomorrow. So we are almost coming to the end of it. So, guys, just make sure you read all of the previous universal truth and make sure you learn something from it and implement them to your business if you really want to be successful, right? Before we get into today's universal truth, I would like to answer a question which one of our friends has asked. He wants to know, like, when he joins Empower Network for $25, what all he is going to get. Well, friends, from the company side, you get a blogging platform and eight fast start videos. Rather, these are the steps. Like, if you follow them diligently and whatever is told in there, if you do that step by step, you become successful in this business, right? Other than that, there are some bonuses which are coming from our group, from our team. There's something like we have one Facebook group, Facebook Mastermind group, where top leaders and members of the team hang around. You get access to that. It's a value of $197, and basically there you can go, you can mingle around. If you have any questions, you can ask the top people there. Everybody is there to help each other. That is the basic idea of having that group, and you can only join that after you get buy the blogging platform for $25. So just go ahead and do that right now, right, friends? Secondly, there are some set of modules for your autoresponder, for your blog, for your a few paid traffic sites, and some sites where you can advertise for free, which will basically get you started, get you some traffic, and so that you can start building your list. Again, this is of 197 dollar value, right, friends? In addition to that, we also have 80 pre-written emails for you, which you can just plug into your autoresponder, so that you do not have to worry about, like, from day one, how do I start writing emails, and how can I send emails to my list. So we already have 80 pre-written emails for you. You can just plug into your autoresponder and they'll start going to your leads or the people in your list, right? It's again around $200 value worth the email responders. And last but not the least, you get a 30-minute coaching session with me, where I tell you how to get started, what are the nuances of the business, what to do, what not to do, so that you don't spend too much time your wasting your time and energy in doing things which don't work, and concentrate your time and energy on the things that do work, right, friends? So these bonus in itself are valued worth $700. So you can see what you are getting your $25 worth. Like, you are getting around $700 of value, content, and help, if you make a total of it, right? Okay, so let's come on to today's universal truth 6 of home-based business. It goes something like, you must first come from contribution and not collection, right? You must come from contribution, not collection. Now, what does that mean? Friends, in any business, to be successful, what is necessary is the mindset. If your mindset is right, then only you can be successful. If your mindset is not right, you cannot be successful. You can take it like, that's the proven thing. You have to have the correct mindset to be successful in any kind of business. So in home based business industry or internet marketing industry, you first have to build a community where you are giving value to others, where you are supporting others, where you are helping others. So basically you have to contribute first before you start thinking about collecting. Collecting means you start earning money. So you have to contribute first to the community, then only you can start off thinking earning money. Right, friends? Like Ziegler has said, if you help achieve enough people get their dream, you get your dream, whatever you want. Right? So that brings to the end of this sixth video of Universal Truth of Home-Based Business. Tomorrow I'll be seeing you with the final video of this series. But don't worry, friends. I'll be coming with lot of stuff like this valuable stuff. I'm doing some research for you, especially wherein I can give you tips which are like you can just implement them and be successful in your business. Right, friends? So before I go, just would like to say that don't delay, don't wait, don't think too much. Just click the button below this video. Just scroll down a bit. There will be a yellow big sexy button. Just click on it, get in, get started, and we are there to help and support you. Right? So see you inside. See you on the other side. Bye bye. Take care.